Hi everyone, my name is Heather Pasha. I'm the Chief Security Officer for Palo Alto Networks. I look after EMEA and Latin America. I'm joined, and it's an absolute pleasure to have Osama
Thank
Hijji
you.
with me. And I'm going to have Osama. Maybe you can quickly introduce yourself as well.
I'm Osama Haggi. I'm the Chief Information Security Officer for EFG Holding. EFG Holding is Egypt's largest investment bank. We started with brokerage, but now we have expanded our business to non-banking financial institutions. We have a commercial bank as well, Bank Next, and we are still doing investment banking as well.
And you look after a lot of different scenarios when it comes to Egypt with all the different entities that you have across your group, which is fantastic.
Yes, our security is more complicated than regular firms because we are looking after investment banking, asset management, wealth management, small and medium enterprises. So, yeah, we have quite wide range of applications.
Let's talk about platformization. Obviously, you've been a key customer of Palo Alto. What are some of the key platformization use cases that you've been using with us?
Well, talking about platformization in itself first, we need to understand this is the future of security technology, generally speaking, and information technology on the broader scale. Dispersed security solutions requires lots of work on the integration between them. This decreases the value as well of detection and response, which is the main objective of information security is to defend institutions. When you cannot integrate these dispersed solutions, you decrease the value.
Yeah.
So platformization actually put all of the different vectors of information security, talking about InfoSec platformization, put them all together. This decreased the hassle on our IT, and in the same time increased the value of detection and response and delivered better defense for the company. For us, we are cooperating with Palo Alto on the XIM platform.
Yep.
I believe we were the first in Egypt and in Africa to introduce XIM, and the XIM simplified on one hand our operations, but on the other hand, it increased very much the defensive value we are getting.
Right. The main focus, obviously, with XIM is to move away from being reactive, right? So, how has your team progressed when it comes to being a lot more proactive in terms of cyber threats with XIM?
We were facing essentially in the traditional setup of security operation a huge dilemma. The gentlemen and ladies working on SOC security operation centers analysis level, they are the people required to write detection rules. They are mostly fresh graduates. They don't have enough corporate security experience. It took them a very long time to understand the security of a corporate so they can write proper rules. With XSIM and using AI, this amount of time has been reduced drastically, from years to actually days, from the moment the XSIM starts to work and starts learning, using machine learning the environment, till the moment it starts detecting on its own. So that used to take years, now it takes days.
Now it takes days, yeah. And hopefully eventually down to minutes and even shorter, right?
Hopefully.
So just final thoughts from you, obviously, as a CISO managing such a wide range of areas within Egypt. What are your suggestions when it comes to having other CISOs prepare to secure their AI journey? What are some suggestions you might have there?
I think we really need to start embracing the big changes happening around us in the IT industry. And this is not about just the CISOs. This is as well concerning regulators and concerning our vision for the security, for the cyber security in Egypt. If we want to adopt AI to improve our defense, we have to embrace the idea of having something based in the cloud, because AI cannot really function on-prem. It requires lots of computing resources, and you cannot have these computing resources on-prem. Data sovereignty is an issue, but is not a problem, in the sense we can have hyperscaler nodes in Egypt, and solutions that employ AI in cybersecurity can be deployed on these hyperscalers. But we really need to, all of us work together to ensure that we are moving in that direction.
So
The CISOs, regulators,
yeah,
and the government.
better regulation, better mindset, I guess, towards
Yes,
security and
exactly.
and AI, and really being better prepared, right? So what we, as we call it, security by design, or
Yes.
securing AI by design. So wonderful. Thank you so much, Osama. Really
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Thank you,
Right.
Haider.
Cheers.